So, हालांकि I do not use some of the terminology that KRK uses to refer to people, but obviously he's talking about the film Battle of Galwan, जो कि सलमान खान सर की फिल्म है जो अगले साल आने वाली थी. Apparently, the film has been shelved, and the reason is actually a lot of the world politics that's happening right now. हम सब जानते हैं कि इस time पे the political climate is kind of insane, and people who have been enemies, countries who have been enemies for years of each other, are now joining hands and becoming frenemies or friends. I don't know. And this time pe, I'm not going to say what country is what, but obviously जो Battle of Ganwal film है वो चाइना के साथ जो गलवान वैली पे मेले अटैक की जो पूरी की पूरी सागा थी उसके ऊपर बन रही थी. And now it seems like because of what's happening between USA and India in terms of what President Trump is talking about raising tariffs and stuff, which I don't know if he's going to actually start or not. It seems like कि India और China साथ में आने वाले हैं, and Russia is also going to join in. पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है. It's too much for me, and I don't indulge in politics much. But what it seems like is that this might actually cause a lot of problems for them when they try and pass this film through the censor. And it seems like एक टाइम आता है हर किसी क्रिएटिव इंसान की ज़िंदगी में जब जो भी वो प्रोजेक्ट को करने की सोचते हैं some kind of a hiccup comes in. And I'm not obviously comparing like Stanley Kubrick to anybody here, because Stanley Kubrick, he was the greatest of all time in terms of filmmaking. But Stanley Kubrick could not secure funding for his film Napoleon. Then he wanted to make a film about the whole saga of World War II in Germany. वो उसके ऊपर भी नहीं बना पाया film, because that very year that film was scheduled to release. उसी साल स्टीवन स्पीलबर्ग की भी फिल्म आ रही थी उसी सेम टॉपिक के ऊपर. तो द थिंग इज कि ये जो चीज़ें कभी कभार होती है, इट्स लाइक सलमान खान ने द बुल करने की कोशिश करी, विच वॉज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट मॉलडीव्स इन इंडिया. एंड हम सब जानते हैं उस टाइम पे पॉलिटिकल क्लाइमेट बदल गया था दोनों कंट्रीज के बीच में. एंड नाउ ही वांटेड टू डू दिस विद दिस कंट्री चाइना, एंड नाउ हम दोनों कंट्रीज के बीच में पॉलिटिकल क्लाइमेट बदल गया है. सो इट सीम्स लाइक अ स्ट्रेंज टाइम. आई डोंट रियली नो what to say about this, क्योंकि अब लग रहा है कि हर कोई इस टॉपिक पे फिल्म बनाना चाहता है, which is also kind of bizarre, just because Salman Khan is making a film on this and now everybody wants to make. But then there are theories about the fact कि इससे पहले ऑलरेडी कुछ फिल्में बन गई थी. आई थिंक देयर वाज वन विद राहुल रॉय, एंड राहुल रॉय लद्दाख में थोड़े से फिर पता नहीं यार क्या, मतलब इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग timeline. I just don't know what to say about this. I just don't know what Salman Khan is going to do next in terms of a film. I really don't understand. I think he should just do a sequel to a very successful film, and that would be a way for him to make a comeback, I think.